The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 playback. You have an option of selecting one and deleting, or you have an option to hitting in the upper left to select a number of clips and then deleting. But there is no option to format in there the whole. And if they did that, people would not be happy. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm a happy camper. Yes, indeed. So happy about the pop-ups being there. Yeah. I think I found a little workaround, and it gets me going, because if I have my camera off and turn it on and want to get rid of the pop-ups a little faster, and I hit the record button and then I just hold the record cancel down. But anyway, I try to get my shot, see what I can see in this screen, and portrait mode just got too much pop-up. I made it down to the end again. Yeah, let's turn around and get on out of here. Please be courteous and respectful to others. Dog runs are solely for the recreation of dogs. Use of the facility is at your own risk. Rules of the run. That's what the sign said. It's what I read. I guess I'm not allowed to go in that little dog run, am I? Maybe the adults, exception of accompanied by children, are allowed in this one. Maybe I'll go find a sign here saying, please keep out. How am I supposed to cut across? I'm not going to do this single-handedly. I sure am. I made it through. I cashed in. Took a couple of weeks. Took a long time. I made my order for the DJI Mic 2 hot shoe. And let me tell you, man, doesn't work. It's not for the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. It doesn't rotate around, but it's nice and foldable, if asked. So, yeah, I did a return. I did a return. I'm not going to get back my shipping, but I'm going to get back the funds I spent. And off it goes back to DJI. Simple as that. If things don't work out, get with the returns department. That'd be more than helpful to help you out. Well, I did my little talk. Time for me to get on out of here. It's a slow ride. Take it easy. Yeah, that's playing right in my mind right now. You can hear it. Let's get going. Yeah, so stickers on the car. Got a boot. See the boot down there? I wonder why. I didn't know dinosaurs were non-extinct. Hurry, man, if you want him, before the garbage man makes his round again. You can have a nice dinosaur. Well, I am Fish. And I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, showed a lot. And I am getting on out of here.